In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The participation of Afghanistan's cultural attaché in Moscow in a scientific program titled All Flags. Afghanistan's Consul General in Mashhad meets with the Iranian Director General of the Office for Foreign Nationals and Immigrants of Khorasan-e-Rezavi province. And talks between the foreign ministers of Iran and Qatar. Welcome to today's news package. It's Sunday, the 20th of Shaban Ramadan 1447, the 19th of Dal 1404, and the 8th of February 2026. The news details. Fazlul Hadi Hamza, Afghanistan's cultural attaché in Moscow, participated in a scientific program titled All Flags, which was held at the People's Friendship University of Russia, RUND. The Minister of Information and Culture stated that Mr. Hamza held discussions with officials of university regarding the situation of Afghan students and called on them to provide a suitable educational environment for Afghan students. Maulvi Nur Mohammad Mutawakkil, Afghanistan's Consul General in Mashhad, met with Jafar Saidabadi, the Iranian Director General of the Office for Foreign Nationals and Immigrants, Khorasan-e-Rezavi province. The Consul General of Afghanistan in Mashhad stated that during the meeting, both sides discussed the allocation of appropriate working space within the Office for Foreign Nationals to facilitate the process of special identity verification, ensure better handling of migrants' problems, and enhance coordination between the two institutions. The news continuation. The media office of Kandahar Governor's Office reports that the construction work has begun on a road project extending from Emirati Square to Nasaji Bridge in Kandahar province at a total cost of 1.8 billion Afghanis. The road will be 8 kilometers long and 80 meters wide. The first phase of the project covers approximately 2.5 kilometers with an estimated cost of 115 million Afghanis and is expected to be completed within 8 months. And ultimately, Sayyid Abbas Araghchi, Iran's Minister of Foreign Affairs, met with Mohammed bin Abdurrahman Al Thani, the Prime Minister and the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Qatar. Iran's Minister of Foreign Affairs stated that the two sides discussed bilateral relations as well as regional and international developments. The Foreign Minister of Iran and Qatar also emphasized the shared responsibility of all regional countries to help maintain lasting security and stability in the region. We have reached the end of our news program. For further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration, you could track us on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.